You're watching Express Now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated CG Semi state-of-the-art outsourced semiconductor assembly and test OS80 facility in Sanand, Gujarat, marking a major milestone in India's semiconductor journey. The event was attended by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw, Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, and Deputy Chief Minister Harsh Sanghvi. CG Semi Private Limited is chaired by Vellayan Subbiah, who was also present at the event. Speaking at the event, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the new facility is a key step in India's electronics revolution and will strengthen the country's position in the global semiconductor supply chain. He highlighted that India is already the world's second largest mobile phone manufacturer and added that projects like this will boost self-reliance under the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat. The Prime Minister also interacted with engineers at the plant and described the facility as a mini India due to its diverse workforce. Addressing the gathering, CG Semi's chairman Vellayan Subbiah said the facility represents a significant milestone in India's efforts to build a strong semiconductor ecosystem and reflects the country's growing capability in advanced manufacturing. He emphasized that the project marks an important step towards strengthening domestic value chains and positioning India more firmly within the global semiconductor industry. The CG Semi plant, developed with an investment of over 7,500 crore, is expected to produce 20 crore chips annually with plans to scale up to 500 crore chips in the future, making Sanand a rising global semiconductor hub.
For decades, semiconductor has been the invisible engine of the modern world. As digital technologies continue to transform economies and industries, semiconductors have become a critical enabler of innovation, advanced manufacturing, and economic growth. India had the talent and the ambition. What we needed was the vision and commitment to build at scale.
हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर दोनों की सफलता के लिए जरूरी है कि हम भारत में स्ट्रॉन्ग सेमीकंडक्टर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर का निर्माण करें.
Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the India Semiconductor Mission was launched in 2021. Today, that vision is becoming reality as India builds world-class semiconductor manufacturing capabilities, resilient supply chains, and a globally competitive ecosystem. The vision became policy. Policy translated into investment. Investment drove execution, and execution created capability. One of the initial projects approved by the government was CG Semi. We transformed an empty stretch of land in Sanand into a landmark of India's semiconductor ambition. In less than a year, we built one of India's fastest first-generation OSAT facilities with a capacity of over 300 million units. Rising next is a facility spanning over 1 million square feet with the capacity to produce 4 billion units. Built not just for today, but for generations to come.
From now on, we will design for Bharat. We will make for Bharat. We will build Bharat.
Thanks to our technology partners, the talent that showed up every single day. Together, they brought us to this historic moment of the launch of commercial production. The facility strengthens India's semiconductor ecosystem, generates employment, enhances technology capabilities, and deepens India's integration with global semiconductor value chains.
वो दिन दूर नहीं है जब भारत की सबसे छोटी चिप दुनिया के सबसे बड़े चेंज को ड्राइव करेगी. Our journey began late, but nothing can stop us now.
Jai Hind.